Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is third part of the video on change the degree. See this example. Elephant is one of the largest animals. First of all, largest is the adjective here. It qualifies the noun animals. In other words, it tells more about this noun animals. This noun animals is not singular, it is plural. So therefore, in these grammar questions today, we are going to see change the degree where the noun is plural. And that is why we have categorized it as type 3. Okay, so let's start. As I said, largest is the adjective. It is the superlative degree adjective, and therefore this is superlative degree sentence. Look at the construction over here. One of the plus superlative degree adjective. How to frame the positive and comparative degree? The positive degree begins with very few, followed by the noun, that is animals, are. Now why are? Because in the question, here the verb is. It's a singular verb because the subject is elephant. But here we are writing animals, plural noun. Therefore we have to use are. Then we use as large as. That is the positive degree adjective. Elephant. Very few animals are as large as elephant. We begin the positive degree with very few. Comparative degree. Elephant is larger than many other animals. Elephant is the verb. Larger, that is the comparative degree adjective of largest, than many other. This is the phrase that you will use while constructing comparative degree. Finally, the noun animals. So elephant is larger than many other animals. This is the comparative degree. Now friends, let's do another example of the same type. Canada is one of the richest countries. Richest superlative degree adjective. That means this is the superlative degree sentence. Look at the construction, one of the plus superlative degree adjective. So let's write the positive degree now. Positive degree we have to begin with very few. So very few, then the noun, that is countries, are. Since in the question it is, we are using are. Just for your information's sake, friends, in case if the question contains was, then obviously you will use were. Are, very few countries are as rich as. Rich, positive degree of richest, as the subject, that is Canada. Very few countries are as rich as Canada, positive degree. Now let's frame the comparative degree sentence. Canada is, same verb is. Now we will use the comparative degree adjective, that is richer. Comparative degree of richest, that is richer than many other, noun, that is countries. So Canada is richer than many other countries. This is the comparative degree. Akbar was greater than many other kings. Now greater is the comparative degree adjective. That means this question is in the comparative degree form. And moreover, look at this, than many other. So now we have to frame the positive degree sentence. So we will start with very few. Very few noun, that is kings. Question contains was, so we will use were. Greater is given in the question, comparative degree. So we'll write as great as. That is the positive degree. and then the subject, that is Akbar. So very few kings were as great as Akbar. That's the positive degree sentence. Now let's frame the superlative degree. Akbar was, because this verb has to be kept the same, was one of the greatest kings. See, we have used one of the plus superlative degree adjective of greater, that is greatest, and the same noun. So Akbar was one of the greatest kings. This is the superlative degree sentence. Next example, very few cities are as developed as Mumbai. Here, question begins with very few, and moreover, the adjective is developed, which means the question is positive degree sentence. So we will have to frame the comparative and superlative degree. Let's begin with the comparative degree first. We'll say Mumbai is developed is the positive degree. Comparative degree will be more developed. More developed. And then we have to use than many other. And the noun cities. So our comparative degree is Mumbai is more developed than many other cities. Look at this, than many other. We have used this in our comparative degree. Superlative degree, we will say Mumbai is. See, in the question there is are. So in our superlative degree, we have to use is. Mumbai is one of the, superlative degree of developed is most developed. So we'll say most developed noun, that is cities. Mumbai is one of the most developed cities. That is the superlative degree sentence. So friends, let's quickly recap. When the noun is plural, superlative degree will contain one of the and a superlative degree adjective. Positive degree, the sentence will begin with very few and we will use as positive degree as. Comparative degree makes use of than many other. So friends, this was the third and the last part of the topic change the degree. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have learned something from it. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.